Hey guys! I'm sure you've heard of YouTube before. Well, since you're watching this video, it is obvious that you are on the YouTube website. Do you realize that you can watch music videos on YouTube and earn $10 by listening to one YouTube music, $50 by listening to 5 songs, and $200 by just listening to 20 YouTube songs per day? That can be completed quickly using a computer or smartphone in 5 to 10 minutes, after which you can simply repeat the entire technique. There's no cost associated with this offer, and you may still get money by simply listening to YouTube music, no matter where you are in the world. So make sure you stay tuned until the end because I'll reveal some amazing techniques to boost your income so you can make 5 times as much money with no more work. Alright, let's begin. Current.us is the first website I want to use. You get awarded for playing music in Current. I'll be showing you a few applications that you can get for free on your phone, so pay close attention. In addition, I'll demonstrate how to play a song, what music to play, and more tips that can help you increase your income. So don't skip any of this video's content. Stay with it and watch it through the very end. You can do it while you're running, working, resting, or whatever you want to do. You can let this music play in the background and you can make money. If you go to their main website, you'll see I want to earn rewards while I'm running. This app is available on the App Store for iPhone users and the Google Play Store for Android users. Make sure you download the correct application before continuing. This is the Current logo. Out of 111,000 ratings, this app received 4.4 stars. It is a completely legitimate program that is fairly good and solid. I want to show you that they have over 100,000 radio stations, one of which is YouTube, before I show you the actual example inside the account. You have the option of listening to music while online or offline. Once more, using this application is completely free, and you can earn points by listening to your favorite music and then turning those points into real money. You'll access the radio station that plays YouTube songs once you've downloaded the app from your Google Play Store or App Store. You can see something like this after logging into your account. This is just one technique to play music and earn money, so pay close attention. Please stay with me because I'll be showing you 2 more ways for you to play music and generate income. You may find a ton of songs, playlists, and artists by scrolling down below the homepage for YouTube Music. There's a wide selection of recommended music, and by playing YouTube music while using the Current website, you can make money completely automatically. This playlist, for instance, is one of which I put a lot of focus. There are numerous songs in the queue. I can add that music to this playlist, and once it is finished, it will move on to the next song and so on. All of the music, including every song for which you will be compensated, is played automatically. When you have the option to loop the playlist, the real fun begins. As you can see, I can activate the repeat button by hovering my mouse over this icon in the bottom right corner. They will automatically go back to the first song and replay the full playlist once it has finished playing from the first song to the last song, allowing me to keep earning money. Now here's the extra tip I want to share with you. First, make sure you have a lot of songs in the queue. To earn money more quickly, you can queue up to 20 songs. Second, you will see this hot list when you visit the homepage. You may watch more recommended and higher quality videos, as well as music videos, when you click on the hot list. Once again, I advise you to select one of these videos because Current will pay you more for it. Again, pay close attention because this website, Current, not YouTube, will be the one paying you. With the help of this application, you can sync music from YouTube so that you can get paid when you listen to the music here. This is the first way to play music while earning money. Now, the second technique I want to demonstrate to you is significantly more well known. Perhaps you regularly watch YouTube videos just like you are doing right now. Do you know that you can play music playlists like this one? Pop Hits 2021, Top 40 Popular Songs, and listen to them while earning money repeatedly by simply repeating and listening to all of the music? I'll give you an illustration. I'm going to use my computer and open 3 tabs. Now on my Google Chrome browser, this is the first tab I've opened. To listen to more music, I'll then open a second and third tab. 3 music playlists are currently playing, and the second strategy is to have several tabs open as you listen to music to continually make money. Now I want to give you a few easy recommendations that will enable you to increase your income. First off, If you visit YouTube, you'll find music that lasts at least an hour. The more music you play and the longer the music, the more money you'll make. Another piece of advice is to click on the options button to increase the speed. By default, the speed is regular, but by selecting the playback speed, you may double the speed and play the song much more quickly. You'll be able to listen to music more and earn more money as a result. I'm going to tell you another trick where you can adjust the quality to 144p, which means you can still play the music effectively since you want to play them repeatedly even if you have a slow internet connection or a lot of people sharing your Wi-Fi. It's important to lower the quality to 144p so that it doesn't use up as much internet speed as when I open 3 tabs to play the music. When you engage in other activities, the music will continue to play. Ensure that the current music application is linked to your YouTube radio station once more. When you connect them, you can use either the first method, using the YouTube Music platform, or the second, playing them on a YouTube platform, which is how I demonstrated to you. Any of these approaches are acceptable. Now I want to present the final bonus. You can see YouTube playback speed control with this new Google Chrome extension. This can be downloaded for free using Google Chrome and is available on both computers and mobile devices. Downloading this Google Chrome browser is when the magic happens. When you look at YouTube, the maximum speed is only up to 2 times. Thus you can play this on your phone and 3 times the pace. Playback can be accelerated by 3 times with this Google Chrome plugin. In the upper right corner, you can control the speed. The keyboard can be used to adjust the pace of YouTube playback. The playback speed can be changed by pressing the plus or minus button correspondingly. You can make a ton of money when you download this extension since it allows you to play music on both the YouTube and YouTube Music platforms much more quickly. Now this is the additional advice I'd want to provide to you at the end of the video. The Current Rewards offline music application can be downloaded for free by simply visiting the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store.